What's up, guys? Today I have a new tutorial for you. I am going to be doing a look inspired by my favorite person in the world, my favorite influencer of all time, Miss Amrezy. I absolutely love her. I've loved her since she first came through. She's just everything that embodies a bad bitch, right? I just love her confidence. I love her attitude. I love her style. Just everything. I love her. She follows me on Instagram. Not on Instagram, excuse me. She follows me on Twitter. What? Yeah. I'm such a fangirl. I've always been obsessed with her. I've never done an Amrezy inspired look before. I don't know why. I think I just never want to fuck it up, I guess. You know what I mean? I never want to disappoint when it comes to the queen. So, yeah. But today we're gonna step out of our comfort zone, do a little Amrezy look, and we'll see what's good. Is that she's just perfect. The feet, the bod. Can we just hello, the bod? Oh, God, I could never. But just amazing, right? So beautiful, so stunning. Look at this Instagram feed. It's so, just so satisfying, honestly. Wow. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna do an Amrezy inspired look today. I'm just not too sure which one. Ooh, I kind of really like this one. That is so pretty, right? Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one. What a great, just classic Amra look. She is just stunning. Everything is just beautiful. I love the smoky eye. I never use black eyeliner, so I'm excited to do that. This is such a beautiful look, and I hope I do her justice. So the queen is also a fan of the queen, so this is appropriate. It was meant to be. So we are first going to go in with MAC Painterly Paint Pot as an eyeshadow base and put that all over the eye. And after I apply that base with a brush, I really like to go in with my finger and just pat it all smooth. So now I'm picking up my Amrezy palette, of course. I'm starting with the shade Wasted, and I'm going to put that all over my lid just to set that base that we just put down. The next shades we're going to go into are New Yorker and OG, and I'm just going to pop those in the crease. These are going to be our nice transition shades. Deepen everything up, I'm going in with 1988, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer V of the eye just to give some depth. Next, I'm going in with Dragon and Anastasia. I'm going to mix these two colors together, and I'm going to put them all over my lid. Next, I'm going to pick up the L'Oreal Espresso Gel Liner, and I'm just going to line the top of my eye. I'm not going to do a crazy wing. I'm just going to do a very, 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 very tiny one. Next, I'm going to pick up Yugo from the Amrezy palette, and I'm just going to smoke out that liner that we just laid down. I'm also going to go ahead and put some of that espresso gel liner in my waterline as well. Now moving on to the face, I am using the Professional Hydrating Primer by Benefit. I'm just going to apply that all over the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with the Stilazzi color corrector. I'm picking up the orange shade to kind of counteract my sunken in dark circles, whatever you want to call them. So next, I'm going to be picking up my Il Makiage and e.l.f. concealers, dropping them all over me, which is great. But anyway, I'm going to just apply that right over that color corrector. So next I'm going to go in with my Il Makiage Beauty Sponge and just blend that concealer out. So for foundation today, I'm going to be picking up the Tarte Face Tape and just applying that all over. To add some color back into my face, I'm going in with the Laura Geller Eye, Lip, and Cheek Trio, and I'm just going to use the bronzer shade to warm up the skin. This has easily become one of my favorite products, and if you can, I say definitely get it because it is so easy to work with and it's so beautiful. To add some brightness to the face, I'm going back in with that e.l.f. concealer, and I'm first going to blend it out with a brush to get some coverage, but then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and just kind of press everything into the skin. For setting powder today, I am going to be going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to press that into the skin with a kabuki brush. To finish off the eyes, I'm going back with New Yorker and OG, and I'm just going to apply that on the bottom lash line. So to add some highlight today, I'm going in with, of course, the Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to spray my brush with some setting spray just to make it more shimmery. And I'm applying that to my brow bone and then my inner tear duct. To warm the face up, I'm going in with some Waka Waka bronzer from Il Makiage. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I think it is so beautiful, and it's really easy to work with. So if you apply too much, it's really easy to just blend all of that out. For blush today, I am going in with two Tarte blushes. I'm going in with Captivating and Doll Face. To set my brows, I'm using the Tarte Busy Gal Brows and just going to apply that all over. So now going into mascara, I'm picking up the Icon Brown Mascara from Il Makiage, and I'm just applying that to my top and my bottom lashes. I went ahead and applied some falsies offline. They are from Baddington Beauty in the style Harlow, and I used the Duo Lash Glue to apply them. So before I go in with some highlighter, I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline setting spray, and this will just help give it a wet look. So this comes as absolutely no surprise to you. I'm going in with my Kylie Cosmetics Iced Latte Lip Liner. And I'm just going to line my lips. And then I'm going to go in and apply the Tarteist Lip Paint in the shade Salty. So now on to hair. I'm first starting off by brushing my hair out. The brush I'm using is the Framar wet brush kind. I don't think that's the name of it, but it's like a wet brush because it doesn't pull your hair. So I'm just going to brush out my hair, and then I'm also going to part it. You could part down the middle, down the side. The picture that I used for the inspiration, she has a part on the side. So next I'm just going to take the top layer of my hair and pin that up. And then I split the back. I brush out my hair again. And then I just pick up random sections of hair. And this first one I'm gonna curl in towards me, and then I'm gonna alternate between going towards me and away from me. So this one's gonna go forward, and then my next section that I pick up, if you need to move that other section away, please do. The next section I pick up is going to go curled back. Just want to alternate between forward and backwards curls, just so that they don't clump together once you brush them out with your fingers. So for the top section, it's going to be a little different. I like all of my hair in the front of my face to be curled away. So I'm going to go ahead and curl this top section all away from me. So I love to listen to music while I'm doing my hair and makeup. So that's why you'll see me making funny faces, is because 10 out of 10 times I am singing along. So once you're all done curling your hair, you just want to run your fingers through it, kind of shake it out. You can go in with a brush if you want, whatever you prefer. And then I'm going to apply some hairspray. Just give your curls a nice little spray down. That way they hold. That is that, babies. This is my Amrezy tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's pretty easy, pretty glam and amazing. I think this would look beautiful as everyday or a date night look. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave your comments down below, and I love you so much.